This is me with my old audio setup.
And this is the Fifine K688CT sent over to me for free to check out on this channel. And boy, what a difference it has made to the audio quality in my video. Now, I'm heavily relying on this really cool feature of this microphone where it basically outputs the audio directly from the microphone into my camera. So it has a little aux port on the bottom of it where I just plugged the cable in and plugged it straight into my camera, and now I'm getting crisp audio without any work, without any sync in post. And what's really cool about that is that at the exact same time, I could be recording on my computer with OBS with its direct monitor feature. I have this nice boom arm that the CT model comes with attached to my desk that's right next to where I film my talking head videos. So I just swivel it over to the camera frame and turn on my computer, and it's as simple as that. I have clean audio going to my camera. There's a green button right here. If I press it, it will automatically mute. So watch this. I'm going to be talking. And now I am talking. So it was that simple. It's a capacitive touch button. It shouldn't have any wear. It should last for a while. So another really cool part about that live audio out feature is that you can actually select this microphone as a speaker on your computer. And what that basically enables me to do is if I have this mic connected to my camera, I can actually record in-game audio through my computer and have it sent through the mic to my camera, which is awesome. When Fifine contacted me, they wanted me to review, I think it was the AM8. Now, don't get me wrong, it looks like a wonderful product, but I was pretty straightforward with them that I wanted something that was very professional, robust, and sounded similar to the Shure SM7B. So they immediately responded with the fact that this right here, the K688CT, should sound pretty similar to the SM7B. And it also has XLR, like the SM7B, which is a feature that's found on professional microphones. Now, personally, I do have the means to connect it to XLR. I am very satisfied with the quality out of the box with just the cable. I'm starting to realize that less is more when it comes to mics. If it sounds good out of the box and you can just plug one simple wire into your computer and then another simple aux cable into my camera, and I can get clean audio that's synced up and get audio from my computer into my camera, that's all I could ever ask for. And so now to give you guys a little bit of a tutorial. So in order to get clean audio on the camera, it was actually kind of tricky. I have two different cameras, a ZV-E1 and a ZV-E10. And the key, all right, the absolute key is that if you're using it for your computer and for your camera and you don't want to be constantly adjusting volume settings, what you do is first, you set the audio gain knob on the microphone itself so that it gets picked up correctly on the computer. And then once you're happy with the audio levels on the computer, you then plug the mic into your camera, and then on the camera, turn down your mic gain until you hear no hiss or no like weird distortion. You might hear some hiss, but it won't be there when the video is actually playing back to you. No like electronic noise or distortions. For me, that was the volume level 7 on my Sony ZV-E1. And then on the audio out with the headphones icon, I would turn that up until I got a desired volume on the camera itself. So you can kind of think of it as having two independent volume controls. This is the order again. Computer, audio gain, the microphone icon. Then you want to switch your camera's gain to the lowest where all the electronic noise is gone, and then you adjust the gain on the headphones icon on the mic. And that will get you perfect audio on both your camera and your computer. There was a really nice box that was sent to me by Fifine, and they also sent me this boom arm. So that's the CT package. You can get it without the boom arm. It comes with a microphone, the pop filter. It comes with the mic holder already attached, and it comes with the cable, which is really long. I have it going all the way 7 feet to my computer, which is maybe even 10 feet away. So it is perfectly sufficient, and I was able to tuck it away because it's pretty long and it's completely out of sight. It was really easy to mount it to my desk. I was able to just screw and clamp it down. The quick start guide that was included was also pretty descriptive and got me up to speed to understanding how this microphone worked and what features it had. The second I realized it had that that audio out, I realized I am in business. Even though it's line level audio, it still works as a microphone in on your Sony cameras. So that's a huge plus. The more simple I can make the video making process, the better it's going to be for this channel because I can pump more content out for you guys. This email from Fifine, it was literally perfectly timed. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This was really cool and I'm really grateful they sent me this mic because it couldn't have come at a better time. Don't have to make any changes because it works perfect. Swivels over to my camera recording area and then swivels back to my desktop so I can use it in game. And I asked one of my friends on Discord if he thought it sounded good. Now it's just one guy, but he said it sounded great. So yeah, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I'll be making more videos on keyboards and mice soon. Maybe mics, who knows? Maybe I'll expand to that. But yeah, peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe and leave a comment if you want me to review anything else. Peace.